This is where I'm at with the two-piece arrangement on the side rails. Got these holes for side lights, so I can throw some floods back here. And there's enough room where I can get them kind of angled down, so I'm not wasting light pointing it in that direction. Just kind of have the cutoff of the flood pattern about right here. That way everything is being used, everything else points down. And it's coming along. I got these bolts holding it together now, and countersink drilled. I need to get bigger countersink bits. Yeah, that's my life. I'm not getting there. I think the rake is about good, but this should look pretty nice when it's done. So here's my solution to mounting. I have got angle aluminum with holes drilled to accommodate all these studs. And what I think this will do is kind of give me some shear strength for hard braking, as well as some stability while I get the main holes drilled and the whole thing bolted down. If you look, I've got it just about bent into the profile that I need. Just kind of laying it over the shovel here and putting the man meat on it. And yeah, so far it's looking good. I could not tell you the thickness of this, but it's inch by inch. So inch wide, inch tall. And what that's gonna do is give me something I can drill into however I need in order to mount the actual cross rails. And so far I'm feeling pretty confident about it. This stuff is really tough, as I found out by having to bend it. So we'll see. Something I'm debating is, looking at this, there's gonna be some voids here when that aluminum is placed and mounted. So I'm debating between filling this all up with a sealant or something more like NP1 where it'll form a structure too. But the problem with that is it's not going to come up very easily. It's a little bit easier to pull like silicone, stuff like that up when, say, the truck turns out to be a lemon and I need to sell it. So I really got to make that call, but we'll see.